In the next few minutes, you will either kill your first mammoth or watch your family starve to death. Your hands are shaking, not from the cold, from fear, because standing in front of you is 6 tons of muscle, fur, and tusks. A beast so massive its footsteps make the frozen earth tremble beneath your feet. And today, at just 16 years old, you are expected to help bring it down. Your baby sister hasn't eaten in days. Her cries are weaker now. Your mother hides her own hunger, giving away the last scraps of food. And your father, once the tribe's greatest hunter, can no longer run. A shattered leg from last winter means he can only watch. So this morning, for the first time, he handed you his spear and said,
"If you fail today, we do not survive winter."
No pressure. The snow is endless. The cold cuts through your skin. Every breath burns. But none of it compares to what you feel when you finally see them. The herd. Dozens of mammoths, towering beasts covered in thick fur, their tusks curved like sharpened moons, each one large enough to crush a man without slowing down. Your uncle points to the target, a younger female, limping, separated slightly from the herd, still enormous, still deadly, but killable, you hope. Torches are lit, hunters spread out. Your pulse pounds so loudly you can barely hear anything else. Then, the signal, and chaos begins. Fire erupts, hunters scream, smoke fills the air, the mammoths panic, and the ground feels like it's breaking apart beneath you. They charge. Thousands of pounds of raw prehistoric power, stampeding across ice and snow. One mistake here, and your body will disappear beneath their feet. Then disaster strikes. Your younger brother slips, falls, directly into the path of the charging mammoth. Everything stops. Your brother looks up, frozen, terrified, and in that moment, you understand something brutal. No one is coming to save him, except you. Your body moves before your mind can. You run, faster than fear, faster than reason. The mammoth lowers its tusks. Your brother cannot move. And now, your entire family's survival rests on one impossible choice. Save yourself or become the hunter your father raised. You grip your spear tighter. Your father's final lesson echoes in your mind.
Hunt not because you are fearless. Hunt because those you love cannot survive if you don't.
You throw. Time slows. The spear flies. Your heart stops. Then, impact. Straight into the mammoth's eye. The beast screams, veers sideways, missing your brother by inches before crashing into the ravine below. Silence. Then victory. Your tribe erupts. Your sister will eat. Your people will live. And your father, for the first time in your life, bows his head to you. Not as his son, but as a hunter.